What is up guys, Sean Logan the fan of Fly here, back with another video. And this video, I have another unboxing for you guys. This is just a little quick unboxing because I'm planning to make something that leans towards the road to the best Xbox controller or something. And I found these at Best Buy and I just had to have them. These are Call of Duty Zombies thumb grip thingamajigs. They're really grippy, so they're pretty good. And these are basically sculpted like those perks from Call of Duty, you know, quick revive soda.
You need a little revive.
But yeah, quick little unboxing for you guys, and just to bring into perspective, here's my controller, and I picked up a chat pad for it, so that's pretty clutch. And yeah, let's get into this. There we go. Just gonna put the knife aside, don't wanna cut myself. Anyway. Now, before I get into this, I do want to say quickly, I do pardon the situation here. I am working with rather suboptimal procedures here because the lighting in my current dorm isn't very good because the light isn't very powerful, and I don't have an overhead light here like how I did in my dorm back in Totem Park. But I'm just gonna work with what I have. Hopefully, maybe I'll put in a maintenance request and get the light changed. But yeah, moving on. Now this is by a company called KontrolFreek, and they made these little grips. Let me just pop them off here, and they look like this. They're sculpted to almost look like bottle tops. And yeah, this is basically the box. It says KontrolFreek, and these are the sizes that are available. There's really small, medium, and this pretty tall. I don't want to get the tall one because that's way too big for me, but I have smallish thumbs. But yeah, moving on. So these just snap over these, if I'm not wrong. Now I just want to make sure I line them up properly because yeah, anyway, this won't snap on, will it? Is it on? Yeah, it's on. Alright, so yeah, that's about it. It's on, I think. Yep, it's on. Anyway, so that's about it. Now for the last one, the alignment is key because otherwise you'll have a lopsided quick revive thing, which isn't too fun. And this is also a bit lopsided. Yes, there we go. Now they do rotate a bit, so yeah. Basically, that's it. So they just sit on top, and I think they give a really clean look, and they are much grippier than the original thumbstick, and I do think it makes them a little taller, so they're a little bit more sensitive. So I think they're pretty cool, and yeah, we'll just test it out a little bit, see how it works. Be right back. Alright guys, so now as you can see over here, I have a game set up, and we're gonna just be testing out the thumbsticks over here. So yeah, let's get into this. Now I'm just gonna go up. Oh shit, sorry, that's zombies, my bad. Come on already. Oh my god, I'm sorry, my game's a bit slow. I'll go back, then go up, multiplayer. Now I'm just gonna go over to public match. Specialist, what do I have? Specialists. Oh yeah, I do have something. I have a taunt and gesture. Oh well, fuck that. Anyway, I'm just gonna stick to my favorite one, Reaper, and I got this sweet new head for him, in case you didn't know. Anyway, yeah, so basically we're just gonna be testing all these new thumbsticks. I'm just gonna go to something simple, find a match, co-op, team deathmatch, you know, use. And I already got a game. So now basically I'm just gonna be playing one game to basically test this map. And I would like to point out this map, Outlaw. This is actually a revamp of the map from Black Ops 2, which was very popular, the map called Standoff. So I really enjoy playing Outlaw because it reminds me a lot of Standoff, but there are some differences. I like that the big tank is now replaced with a podium, and those kind of smaller, subtle differences. But yeah, let's get into the game. It's almost done loading now. Come on already. Alright, Brent, now to pick a gun, I'm just gonna go with the KN-44. Actually, no, my bad, not the KN-44. I'm gonna go with the Dingo. Yes, I'll change next time I spawn. Now, I will say straight off the bat that this new thing that I've got here is pretty good. These new thumbsticks, because they're much grippier. Wow, I do like them. They're pretty good so far. Like, they are definitely more precise. Oh my bad. They are definitely more precise. And I feel like they don't restrict my movement. Yeah, that was my bad. I wasn't looking behind me. And now let's try out with the Dingo. Ah, drat. Alright, let's see if I can kill anyone here. Ah, shit. Sorry if I'm a little shit today, I'm a little out of practice. Oh, I see someone. Oh, fucking hell, what is wrong with me today? Come on. In theory, I could just blame the thumbsticks, but that's not fair. What the hell? Come on, jump. There we go. Yeah, and that choo-choo, that's another new addition to the game. There's a train that goes past. No. Should I just camp here or nah? Oh, not mine. I don't have a secondary. Oh shit. What the fuck? Oh my god, I gotta do better. We're getting pasted out here. I'm just gonna let this guy go past and he'll die and I'll live. Assist though. Yeah, so all in all, I guess these thumbsticks do help you with make better shots. What's going on? Why did my button just work? Oh, I don't have a... Oh my bad, I don't have any grenades. Oh well. Thought I had a thermite. Alright, hang on. Just excuse me for 1 second, guys. I gotta take care of something very quickly. Alright, there we go. Sorry about that. That was just a friend inviting me to a party. I'll join him later. I just want to get back to this. Ah, shit. Missed me, bitch. And I guess you didn't. Oh well. Fucking hell. Oh wait, that's something combat zone. See a baddie in there. Fucking hell. Okay, I don't think I've ever been this shit in a game before. Like, this is like actually really bad. Up, run, flee. I should be talking there. What the fuck?
Be advised, hostile care package overhead.
Oh my god, I hate this map so much. And now to make matters worse, here come the carpet bombs. And some bitch has activated vision pulse. And I took the bucket. Story of my life. Oh, hell no. Ah, fuck you, bitch. I think we're outnumbered. My god, they're everywhere! There we go. That's I'm taking a different gun. I'll try the haymaker out. Hopefully that should be a little better. Run! Fuck you! What the hell? I'm ready with the thermite. Ah! Ah, yes! That's how it's done, son. Oh, fuck. Yes. Oh well. So I'm gonna try and I'm gonna do another game because that was just shit. But yeah, all in all, I do think that these thumbsticks do help because they're a lot grippier and they're a little taller, so they give your thumb more precision to move. Like because they have more room to move based on just your thumbs. Plus, they look super fucking awesome. They're like quick revive. So yeah, I really do like them. So I'm actually gonna make a video called like the road to the best elite controller or something. So yeah, I'm probably gonna get like a little thing over here I saw at Best Buy that has like paddles at the back. But the only reason I'm hesitant to get that is because I don't know what exactly I'll map them to because I already have these paddles down here. I'll probably map them to different functions of the D-pad, but yeah, I'll see. I don't know whether I'll get that or not though, but yeah, I will see because that is pretty cool. But the only reason I would not is because I'm scared it'll hinder these paddles, which the controller came with. But yeah, I'll probably make a video like that. And the strap pads are working out to be pretty good, but so far these thumbsticks, which are the main focus of this video, are really good. So yeah, should I do one more video? Should I do one more game? Yeah, I'll do one more game.
2,000 years later.
Oh, that's interesting. I was reading something about another specialist, and we are outnumbered again, I think. Yeah, we're outnumbered. We're gonna get screamed.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Alright, so it's gonna go to the haymaker. Alright.
This is why we can't have nice things.
Now let's go. Ah, fuck. Yep, we're gonna get murdered. Ah, yes. Haymaker in the house. Literally. Stop it, mate. I'll join later. Fuck. Where are you running off to, huh? Fucking bitch hole. Mate, you stole my kill. Yes, that's the way it's done, son. And if you look at there's a train going by. That's a new addition to this map that was not there in Black Ops 2. Of course, because why the fuck not, right? I do like the haymaker though. I'm doing pretty well with it. I spoke too fucking soon. Yep, I definitely spoke way too soon. Ah, you! Yes. Deal with the counter UAV first, and then let's go on to the UAV. And let's see if I can't shoot on the care package. Oh boy, here comes the pain. Go, bitch. Fuck. Yeah, Haymaker's not good up here. It's not very good in range. Whoop. Missed me. Someone's using Vision Pulse.
Be advised, hostile UAV incoming.
Run, flee. Wait a second.
Hostile
Haha.
package overhead.
Ah, fuck.
Hostile UAV above.
Yes. No. Phew, why was I reloading? I had plenty of ammo.
Be advised, hostiles are in your AO.
Of course.
Be advised, hostile UAV.
What the fuck? Where did you come from? Anyway, let's just keep moving forward. Let that guy go first. Come on, enemy team combatant, I'm ready for your ass. Not this time. Yeah, I'm just gonna go for the skith. Ah. Fuck. Ah, fuck! What a waste of a skith. Yes! Fuck.
Hold it back.
Yeah, no shit is slipping away from us. We're fucking outnumbered.
Clever girl.
Hostile UAV above.
Nice, assist. Ah, what the fuck are so many people doing here? Ah, fuck. Let's just keep on moving. Here are a lot of thermites popping. If anything, I see the thermite as my signature weapon because, like, in multiplayer, I kill a lot of my friends with it pretty easily,
Counter UAV.
and they despise it when I do it. But yeah, I love the thermite. Yes. Ah, fuck. No!
Get out of my sight.
I'm in the kill cam as the guy who died. No! Oh my god, you dick. Oh, fuck. How does she one-shot me though?
Damn, dog, and I was hoping for a fight.
But yeah, that proves my point. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just to test this new thing, and I would probably give it a thumbs up because it's pretty good. I'm really enjoying it, and feel free to pick it up. It's available at Best Buy for like 20 bucks. Like, that's Canadian dollars plus tax. And yeah, they're really sweet, and they do stand out a bit on the controller. If they make these in Deadshot Daiquiri, that'll probably fit better because Deadshot Daiquiri, the perk is I think gray, so that'll fit nicer on this controller. But this still looks pretty good. They have this in all the perks. They have it in Juggernog, Speed Cola, Stamina Up, but I picked Quick Revive because that's normally the first perk you buy, like if you're playing solo. And yeah, that's about the size of the video. Click here to subscribe. Click here to see my Steam gift card giveaway video. Click down here and here to see 2 of my other videos. And until the next one, Sean Logan, the fan of a Flash, signing out. Goodbye.